Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to download and install Reaper on your Mac. Whether you're new to digital audio workstations or switching from another DAW, Reaper is a lightweight, powerful, and highly customizable option. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Brave, but you can use Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Next, go to the official Reaper website, reaper.fm. Once you're on the home page, click the Download Reaper button in the top navigation bar. You'll see download options for different operating systems. Under the macOS section there are 3 links: macOS Universal, macOS 64-bit Intel, macOS 32-bit Intel. Here's how to choose the right one. If you're using an Apple Silicon Mac, M1, M2, M3, or newer, choose the Universal version. If you're on an Intel-based Mac, go with the 64-bit Intel version. Click the appropriate link to start downloading the .dmg file. Once the download is complete, open the .dmg file. You'll be prompted to read the terms and conditions. Make sure to review them, then click Agree to proceed with the installation. You'll then see the Reaper app icon. Just drag it into your Applications folder. This will copy Reaper to your Mac. After that, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash. Now, open your Applications folder and double-click Reaper to launch it. macOS may show a security warning since the app was downloaded from the internet. If it does, click Open to continue. Reaper will then launch normally. When it opens, you'll be asked if you want to enter a license key or evaluate the software. If you're just trying it out, click Still Evaluating. Reaper offers a fully functional 60-day free trial, so you can explore all the features with no limitations. And that's it. Reaper is now installed on your Mac. You're ready to start recording, mixing, and producing music or podcasts right from your desktop. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides and creative tools.